are 2 pointers on this analog clock. They are called hands. 1 hand, 2 hands. You see those pointers? They're called hands on the clock. When the time is right on the hour, like 8 o'clock, 3 o'clock, or 6 o'clock, the longer hand is always pointing to the 12. Can I borrow your pencil? So when it's on the hour, so if it's 8 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, this long hand points to the 12 because that means 0 on the clock.
Beautiful part of the country.
Mm-hmm.
We are ready for 7. Yep, a boy. No, look, the toys. So I don't have to regroup if it's 2 minus 4.
You do have to regroup if it's 2 minus 4 because you can't take 4 from 2. But if it's 4 minus 2, you don't have to regroup because you can take away that.
Oh, now I see the bigger number that's in front.
Yeah.
Is the one that you don't have to regroup, but the littler number that is on front that you have to regroup.
Got it.
So these that you have to use? Well, it's no more. Okay.
Okay, go play. Mila's coming. Hey guys, so we're having a pretty typical day at home today, doing a lot of homeschool. I've sent the kids outside early. Normally I wait until we're all done with school to send them out, but today is a little bit different. We're getting some weather in, a lot of wind actually, and because we live in a forested area, I would prefer them they go out now rather than later when the wind is going to get worse and risk something falling on them. So they've been instructed to stay in certain areas of the property where I know they'll be safe. But that's where everyone's at right now. My oldest is walking our dog. She has a phone with her, just in case anything fishy happens. And my oldest is prepping sourdough dinner rolls. I typically am pretty sick and tired of doing sourdough. I have been doing mostly bread in a bread machine, but she really wanted them. And I count this as her school too, so she has done this recipe entirely herself. She's going to monitor it the entire day. She'll get it ready and it'll be done in time for dinner, and all of that is school. So I count that as unschooling, and the benefit to me is that I get to eat dinner rolls and I didn't have to make them.
Shut up. One extra piece. Come right up. Try that. Woo!
Good, we need more.
I can't put my golf out.
A little bit more than an hour because, yeah.
Wow.
Your hair.
Yeah. Well, it's so baby. I'm watching homework. I'm watching homework.
Did you guys see that tree fall?
Yeah.
I watched it.
Wow. Was it loud?
Yeah.
Well,
Well,
I've been watching it, and it's really tied up in vines. I don't think it's gonna fall.
Mommy.
It
Fall.
wasn't that loud,
Mommy.
but I could, like, when I started hearing, I was hearing cracking.
Oh, okay.
And then I was, like, freaking out for a second, trying to figure out where it was.
Well, it looks like I'm going on the roof. Our chimney cap flew off, and I'm gonna go put it back on and weight it down with a rock for now. The winds are just crazy. So I'm gonna try to be really careful and go slow and stay low. Ben's at work, so I'm the only one available. Do you want to just like stay available for a minute? Can you just stay around for a minute? What are you doing? This tree fell. It's right behind the cabin. The kids were playing outside and they ran in to tell me because they heard it crack. It's hung up though in a bunch of vines, so it's probably not going anywhere. But just another thing that we have to deal with. While I'm outside, I might as well go to the barn and get sweet potatoes because we're making a curry tonight to go with the rolls that my daughter's making. Hi. Oh, there's my coat. So this is just a produce check. We only have a little bit of sweet potato left, even though we actually grew quite a bit. I'm saving these larger ones though to make slips from, which I'll be starting in a couple of days. So I've got to bring back a bunch of these little ones to make with our curry. So this is all I'm taking. Probably could have taken more since our family is pretty big, but this will do. And I'm taking garlic.
Sure. My class. Okay,